Don't just study English. Speak with me and train your mouth. This is an English conversation. Do you like music? Do you like music? Now repeat with me. Do you like music? Great. Yes, I love listening to music. Yes, I love listening to music. Now repeat with me. Yes, I love listening to music. Good. What are you doing now? What are you doing now? Now repeat with me. What are you doing now? Wait. I am learning English. I am learning English. Now repeat with me. I am learning English. Where do you live? Where do you live? Now repeat with me. Where do you live? I live in Kolkata. I live in Kolkata. Now repeat with me. I live in Kolkata. Can you help me? Can you help me? One more time. Now repeat with me. Can you help me? Yes, of course. Yes, of course. Now repeat with me. Yes, of course. Are you busy now? Are you busy now? Now repeat with me. Are you busy now? No, I am free now. No, I am free now. Now repeat with me. No, I am free now. Do you know this place? Do you know this place? Now repeat with me. Do you know this place? Yes, I know this place very well. Yes, I know this place very well. Now repeat with me. Yes, I know this place very well. Do you know that hotel? Do you know that hotel? Now repeat with me. Do you know that hotel? Sorry, I don't know that hotel. Sorry, I don't know that hotel. Now repeat with me. Sorry, I don't know that hotel. Do you speak Hindi? Do you speak Hindi? Now repeat with me. Do you speak Hindi? Yes, I speak Hindi well. Yes, I speak Hindi well. Now repeat with me. Yes, I speak Hindi well. Do you speak English? Do you speak English? Now repeat with me. Do you speak English? A little, but not very well. A little, but not very well. Now repeat with me. A little, but not very well. Do you drink tea? Do you drink tea? Repeat with me. Do you drink tea? Yes, I drink tea every morning. Yes, I drink tea every morning. Now repeat with me. Yes, I drink tea every morning. Good.